Well, good morning, Achieve. It's February 3rd, 2021. We're talking about attachment this week. We're talking about forming attachments with adults and how that's going to help you later in life. And I think I've got a pretty fun example that you're all going to enjoy today. Before we get into that, let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You guys can go ahead and have a seat. Well, let me tell you a little bit about my week and some things that I've been going through and dealing with. Actually, you know what? COVID's weird, man. It makes a whole bunch of problems for our lives. But one of the saddest problems so far, and this is kind of related to COVID, is Mr. Pete taking a job somewhere else. I mean, his body just couldn't handle working out in the cold, and he found another job, and that's cool for him. But it left this like gigantic hole at Achieve, and I've been doing extra work this week. But then the cool thing is, some students saw me doing some extra work, and they jumped in and they started helping with things. We have students taking out trash. We have teachers doing extra things to like help fill this gap, and we're looking and we're talking and we're going like, how are we going to replace Mr. Pete? And I actually had some middle schoolers tell me the other day, like, he's not replaceable. You can't replace Mr. Pete. Okay, all those things are totally true. I also love how at Achieve, even the act of like finding a new janitor or maintenance person ends up becoming a thing that like the principal's working on, the teachers are working on, but even students are like thinking about this issue. But it made me think about this for attachment. We've been talking about these positive role models in your life and how you find adults that you can learn from. And I just want to use Mr. Pete for an example today, kind of to give him a shout out, but also because we happened to notice, like, now that he's left, this huge hole, and we really appreciated Pete. Like, we knew all the stuff he was doing. But I want you to have a chat in your class today about Pete. Like, what are all these things he was doing? Also, maybe a little chat about like what made Pete special. And I'll give you a hint. He's a crazy hard worker, and he made this place really, really clean. But that's not the answer. That's not what made him such a special part of Achieve. And the reason I want to have this conversation today is because we're talking all week about making these attachments, and you need to start recognizing like that's an adult that was like doing something special and making a difference. Right? So even if Pete was not your mentor and had these like big talks with you, you need to see people like that in your life, and you need to go like, oh, Pete could kind of be my mentor because I'm going to copy that thing that Pete did. So your topic for conversation today is Pete. He's absolutely amazing. But what is the thing that makes him so amazing? What are things that he does that you want to copy in your life? Have a great day, Achieve. I'll see you around. If you see people out there doing extra stuff, like helping pick up trash, jump in and help out. There's a lot to do. Love you guys. See you later.